Yeah. So first, let me discuss about the syllabus directly. Actually, the title of the course is nothing but Core Java. The duration is 7 weekends. 7 weekends. From the next week onwards, you can consider the regular classes. The timings of the session is from 5 p.m. to 8:30. So including break. Meanwhile, some 10 to 15 minutes break. 10 minutes means 2 times we will give the break. So 15 minutes means 1 time I will give the break. 7 weekends session will be there. And the fees for this is 5,000. Fees for this is 5,000. Where you are going to get running notes, and you people are going to get a recorded videos also we will share with you. But running notes is a lifetime validity. These recorded videos are 6 months validity you are going to get. This is nothing but just information about the course. Clear, right? No doubt. So
Yes, sir, clear.
coming to the syllabus, what are topics we are going to discuss as a part of this core Java syllabus in the sense, first we are going to see introduction to Java, like what is mean by Java, who introduced background of this Java. Okay, like a number of introduction related terminology will be there. Next and after that, installation of Java related softwares. So installation of Java related softwares. See, if you want to practice these Java programs, some basic standard IDEs, standard editors are required. So we are going to see how to install all these things. So the main editors which we are going to use is Edit plus Editor, then Sublime text editor is there, then Eclipse we are going to use, then NetBeans. Okay, maximum these IDs we are going to use. So sometimes I may use IntelliJ IDEA, something like that. But maximum these editors we are going to use depending on the topic. But I'm going to give videos for this, how to install everything, step by step process will be there in these videos. Okay. Anyway, lively Java installation I'm going to explain. Next and after that, steps to prepare Java applications. If I want to prepare any Java application, what steps we have to follow? So that I am going to demonstrate here. So Java application, if you want to write a simple Java program also, what basic steps are required? So that I am going to explain here. Actually, tomorrow we are going to start this entire thing. Okay. Next and after that, some theoretical parts are there, like keywords means what, identifiers means what, next comments means what, data types, what are the different types of data types supported by Java. Next and after that, literals, that means constants. Then typecasting, how you can convert one type of data into another type of data. Operators, what are the different types of operators are existed. Next and after that, input and output statements. So how to read dynamic data from the user, how you can able to write that data to the console. So everything we are going to discuss here. Next and after that, selection statements, what are the different types of selection statements are there. And iterative statements, how to repeat. This one is also called as loops, how to repeat the statements. Next and after that, transfer statements, how you can able to transfer the control from one place to another place. Next and after that, nested loops, a loop within another loop is always called as nested loops. From this we will prepare pattern programs also. Okay, almost I'm going to give videos for this. Around some 100 videos are there. How to prepare patterns, like how to print stars and all, we are going to explain here. Next and after that, arrays. In every programming language, there is a concept of arrays. Next and after that, string handling in Java. How you can able to work with strings. When compared with other programming languages, Java strings are very, very important. So how you are going to deal with that strings? Next, regular expressions, how to write a regular expression code. Okay. Next and after that, object oriented programming. Internally, we have around 50 topics are there in this. In detail, we will see. As of now, I'm not listing those features. Next, exception handling. How you can able to handle runtime errors, multi-threading, parallel execution, how you can implement wrapper classes, okay, object related terminology. Then one important concept is there like collection framework. Okay, CFW, collection framework. So how to handle these collections? What is mean by collection? N number of things are there. So that part we are going to discuss here. Next and after that, IO streams, all we can call it as a file handling also. Next and after that, database handling. So in short form, JDBC, Java Database Connectivity. And so we are going to discuss about Java new features up to latest version. For this, I am going to give around 50 videos. Main important features I will take in the class, but maximum I am trying to give the videos. Main important features are there. Those features anyway in the regular class itself I am going to take. This is nothing but, sir, the total syllabus what we are going to cover in our entire session. In addition to that, I'm going to give assignments also. Okay, just I will give around some 20 programs, top level programs I'm going to give based on the topic. And I will share some hacker rank link. So where you are going to get 200 plus programs will be there. You can parallelly practice. You can parallelly practice. And also interview questions will be there. Interview questions also will be there. So around 50 to or 100 questions are there in the form of a PDF I am going to share once if the course got completed. So this is nothing but our curriculum what we have. So if you have any doubts in this, yeah, you can please ask.
Sir, is there any interactive debugging also in this?
No, sir, no, sir.
Okay. So yeah, okay. But in Java, do we have any interactive debugging? I'm not
No, sir.
saying like in your syllabus it is there or not, but just I'm asking like
Yeah,
in
we have
Java.
debugging.
Hmm.
We have debugging process is there, but it
Hmm.
is related to API rights.
Okay.
So, but
Normal programs also we debug, right?
yeah. Normal programs, why the problem is coming, everything we will see at the time of
Hmm.
executing the code. Directly, I won't write the code and or I will copy paste. So I'm going to explain
Yeah,
step by step.
because like I am also IT engineer, like and we do lots of debug, right? And that also gives us like good exposure to understand like how the programs are working. So I was
Yes,
just
yes.
curious to know whether there is any debug tool
No,
in
no, no.
Java or not.
We have debug tools are there, but we
Hmm.
won't focus much on that. Just we will
Okay.
focus on the content.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Any other queries? Patel, clear?
Sir, no, what I was asking is, would will this be able to help answer core Java interview questions at MNCs?
It's more than sufficient.
Okay, okay. So
See,
I'm.
generally, maximum, there are some areas where people are going to always project in the interviews, especially. One is object-oriented programming. Second one is collections. Third one is
Mhm,
new features.
mhm.
But if you
Okay.
want to answer all these things, fundamentals are as usual mandatory, right?
Yes, yes, yeah, right, right.
Even in our DSA class also, I think you observed so many things.
Yeah, so some things are newer. That's why I
Yes,
thought to
yes,
join this.
yes. So why? Because if you have a clear idea on that concepts,
Mhm,
see clear idea in the sense, not only theoretical knowledge, you have to practice more.
mhm,
So then you will get a clear idea on how we can work with all these things.
mhm.
We will maximum sort it out by taking multiple examples in each and every case.
Okay, okay. Actually, no, I was confused between Java and Python which to take, but as I am preparing for SD roles, it
Okay,
involves LLD, low level design, HLD, and
okay.
problem solving, right? So
Okay.
LLD mostly has OOPS concepts.
Mm-hmm,
So I
mm-hmm.
choose Java.
Yeah, but if you take Python also, Python is also very easy actually. But when compared with Java, oops, Python oops are not that much important. I mean, not that much standard. But here, everything comes with the reason and the solutions, background story will be there. So everything clearly we can understand. If anyone is asking, I want to learn oops completely in depth means, I will suggest Java. So
Yeah.
because for everything reason will be there. But in
Mm-hmm.
Python, not like that. Just it will go with on flow.
Yeah. Right.
Right. So now just I want to start with some sample programs. But for our previous batch, which I am taking at 5 o'clock, there are some topics which I already covered. So the topic called data types, I already covered for them. And the literals also I covered. Typecasting also I covered. Even input and output statements also I covered for them. These four topics already I have taken for that batch. So what I'm going to do is, so today I'm going to start a data types topic as of now. And tomorrow, okay, so if timings is okay for you, you can attend at 5 o'clock itself. Is tomorrow 5 o'clock is okay for you?
Yes, sir. Okay.
So I will ask admin team to share the same link. You can use the same link to join at 5 o'clock, okay?
Okay,
And
sir.
the topic which I'm going to take tomorrow session is, I will start from the introduction. So I will ask admin team, already existing batch is there, right? That people also will join at 5 o'clock. So that common topic I'm going to cover for both of you. From the next week, if you want to join, you can pay and you can continue. Got it, sir, concept wise? What is my plan? Are you getting?
Yes, sir. Fine.
Yeah, right. So now what I will do is just I will start with a simple Java program and I will start this data types concept. Okay. And coming to in every programming language, first always we will start with sample Java program or sample C program like that. See, as a trainer, it is very difficult for me to explain Java program when compared with other programming languages. It is a somewhat difficult. Why? Because we have some basic thumb rules. What is the first rule? Sir, always the program execution, whether it may be any programming language, program execution always starts from which method? Main function, or it is also called as what method? Program execution always starts from here. And a set or a group of instructions, so must be enclosed. Okay, enclosed within these brackets. Everything we are going to enclose within these brackets. And in C language, how to write the code? Sir, we are going to take hash include something like that. If you take C program, a structure will be there like this. So if you take Java program, a structure will be there. So as a trainer, it is very difficult for me to explain this particular scenario or to explain this particular scenario at very beginning. Because if any person is coming without programming language knowledge, for me it is very difficult to explain everything, because that person is going to ask what is this hash, what is this main, what is this argv, all these things. But of course it is very easy, but what about these extra things? And even if you take Java also, what is this public, what is this static, string means what, these things they are going to be get confused. So for me to take Java program at very beginning of the demo class, I want to take maximum after taking 1 or 2 theory sessions I am going to take. But like for us trainers, Java has given one beautiful opportunity. What is that opportunities? We can write a Java program in a simple manner like void main. That's all. Simply you can take the code here. If anyone is asking, sir, is it difficult? No. Why? Because program execution always starts from main. It is not responding anything. That's why I have taken void. It is not returning any value. And in between this, whatever statements you are taking, it is going to execute. That's all. Very simple thing. But how to print the message? System dot out dot println of I'm going to take hello. That's all. So if you run this Java program, what will happen? So the output what we are going to get is hello. Like this we will get. Sir, actually Java program structure is like this, but you have written only void main. Is it going to work? Definitely it will work. I will explain how it is going to work. But this message system.out.println around in object oriented programming, I am going to discuss minimum 10 minutes or 15 minutes only about this method. That much internal implementation is there for this. But at the very beginning, no need to go for that. In future classes, I will demonstrate this. But remember, system.out.println is nothing but a method. By using this method, we can print whatever information you need on the screen. So I think the theoretical part, whatever I explained related to this, there is no doubt for you. Am I right, sir?
Yes, sir. But being already a coder, we can give print in Python or somewhere.
Hmm.
So, but we are trying to learn Java to
Hmm.
know in depth like exactly what these are system dot out, why it is different, why it is not simple print like that. And like I agree, like you'll explain these all as the
Hmm.
class progresses, because like
Yes, exactly.
you
But
know
as
how
of
to
now,
teach,
you
right?
need, yeah,
Yeah, yeah.
because you need to understand this at a top level as of now.
Yeah, yeah, top
Uh,
level, but our
so
expectation is like to get
yes, yes.
these
See,
knowledge
print
in
mean
detail,
print
right?
of hello means just simply it will print.
Yeah,
Everyone
yeah.
can understand. But it is a method, right? It is a function in Python. It
Yes,
is a function in C language.
yes,
But in Java, functions concept is not there. It is a pure object-oriented programming. If you want to write any function, it is called as a method, which is linked with some class. So that one is nothing but system.out. Got it?
yes, sir.
So slowly you will get. But as of
Yes,
now, don't touch this. Just if you seeing this one, what is the meaning? It is same like printf in C language, print in Python, just to print some message on the screen. That's all. And I think void main you know very well, right? Sir, everyone clear about this program so that I will go for executable part.
yes, sir. Void main is clear.
Yes. Now I will try to prepare a Java program. So first step, I'm going to save the file. You can take any name. You can take any name. This is saving and all also. Step by step, I will explain. Sir, I created one program. I saved this program with the file name. So test.java, because I am preparing Java programs, right? File name I am giving as test.java. If any file name which is having extension .java means, so it is a Java program. It is a Java program. Yes, my Java program is there. What is the code that you have taken? Void main. That's all. Within this, I'm going to print some message. System dot out dot println of. So hello followed by good evening. Something like this I'm printing. And sir, here system, yes, is capital letter because it is a class. What is class? The term related to the object oriented, a professional way of writing code. And out println, these are nothing but methods. Actually, you can take print. What is println? To print the content. After printing the content, it is not programmer's duty to transfer the control to next line. Automatically, it will transfer. Actually, in the place of this ln, they have to take /n. The main intention is print /n. After printing this message, the control should go to the next line. But whenever you are taking any names, so special characters are not allowed. That is the reason that a slash looks like L, right? That's why they have given ln. That's all. So what is mean by println? After printing the content, the control is going to be transferred to the next line automatically. Sir, is the explanation is clear? Right. Actually, if you take any Java program, you need to take in this style. You need to take in this style. But this program is very simple when compared with this. Java is having so many versions from Java 1.0 to Java 1.0 to Java 23. Almost 23 versions of 23 versions of Java are existed. But of course, every version is not that much important. Small batch files, small updates, security related updates. So they are going to release n number of things. But there are some standard, okay, features also there. Okay, those features we are going to discuss anyway in the upcoming classes. Don't worry. But so from Java 1 to so Java 2020. Sir, old style of writing Java program is nothing but by including so many elements. Complex program we have to take. That means in this style. But from Java 21 onwards, sir, there is a new style came where you can write a simple code in this style. So if anyone is asking, without object-oriented programming, is it possible to prepare a Java program? Means yes. From Java 21 version onwards, this kind of a facility is there with us. Now I want to run this program. How to run? If you want to run the program, you have to take command prompt. In the command prompt, sir, in which folder it is there as of now? C:, users folder, Prakash. But where I saved my file is in test folder, I saved my file. In test folder, I saved my file. So here we have to run the program. Sir, how to run? So before running, I will explain the process and all. Don't worry. But do you have any doubt up to this, whatever I told? Please confirm.
No, sir.
Clear eye, everyone? Now, I have to run this program, sir. In which version we have to run this program? From Java 21. So now I'm going to take one special command. What is that command? Is Java 21.batch file. Have you observed? In my system, there are n number of Java versions are there. Because as a trainer, I need to explain for the students by taking multiple examples. So that's why I'm going to use different versions. But as a student, you need to use always latest versions of Java. So you can see there is a path, automatically batch file is created. I created already, which is activating Java 21 version. Now Java 20 version is enabled. How to run the program? Java hyphen enable hyphen preview. Sir, what is the meaning of this? Actually, in Java 21, whatever feature they got, this one, she is writing a simple main method, is as of now not standard. Just they kept for preview. That means it is something like a beta version, something like that. So they have not standardized this option. That's why just I am enabling the preview feature. So by using which version? Source 21. So Java command, I am enabling the preview by using which source I am going to run Java 21 version. What is the file name? Test.java. So this command you need to remember. There are totally 4 phases are there. In first phase, I am taking a command called Java. In the second phase, by default, this preview is disabled. I am going to enable this preview feature. And which version of Java I am using? Java 21. Which file you are trying to execute? Java.test.java. Now, if you press enter, you can see, sir, forget about these 2 note related things. Forget about that. Sir, hello, good evening. Is our requirement is this one only, right? As it is, we got the output. This is the way just how to execute a simple Java program by using which version? Java 21. That's why my program is very simple, sir. Sir, everyone understood this one?
Yes, sir. Sir, what was the need of writing Java 21.bat? Is it to display the path where the latest Java is residing?
No. In my system, there are 4 versions I installed in my system.
Okay.
So Java 1.8, which is very important version, and
Yes,
Java
yes.
10 is there. Okay,
Mm.
and Java 21 is there, Java 23. Like these 4 versions are there.
Okay.
By default, when you are trying to execute the program, it will pick up latest version.
Okay.
So what I am trying to do is, I want to execute this feature in Java 21. That is my main intention. So what I did is, so my Java 23 is by taking the default. I am switching to Java 21. Now 21 path is enabled. At a time, only
Okay,
one
okay.
path will be there. So every time I can't type this. That's why what I did is I created some batch files. If you want, I will show you that batch files. There are multiple batch files are there. If you see, sir, Java 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Have you observed so many batch files are there? What content is there? Java 22 batch file path is like this. Java 21 path. So Java 17 path. Java 8 path. So Java 7 path. Java 5. In my system, where it is installed, that path I am going to give. So in this case, what will happen? When you are using this particular version, you have to set the path first, then you have to use. Without setting the path, if you are trying to run by taking 21 version, so 21 version should be active, right? At a time, only one version will be the active. By default, it is always latest. Latest is 23. I don't want 23. So I
Earlier,
switch it to
sir,
21.
earlier I remember for execution we just used to write Java C and then program.java, right?
Now in
But
the latest
now you
version,
have written
directly we can
enable
run.
preview
Yes.
source 21. It's a very big command, right?
Yes,
To
only to demonstrate the first Java program I am using this. But in future, we want to use this feature.
okay.
See, explaining this command is very simple when compared with our original Java program.
Yeah,
Getting
yeah,
the concept. If I want to talk about public, minimum 30 minutes I will talk. But you can't understand at this stage.
yeah.
Sir, got everyone? Please confirm. Clear? Right. Now, what I will do is, this feature I understood. Now I want to switch to our normal Java program. So I'm taking normal Java program. As of now, don't ask all these things, but this is the skeleton what we have. I'm giving the class name as the demo. I will save this file also with the file name demo.java. So actually, this is the professional way of writing Java program. What is the file name? Demo.java. This is nothing but the program what we have. Sir, in this program, except system.out.println and void main, remaining things I don't know. As of now, keep that like only. In future classes, I will explain what is public, what is a static in detail, everything we are going to demonstrate. Maximum in the tomorrow's class only, I am going to demonstrate that. Minimum some 20 minutes we will spend and we will discuss about that. Sir, clear everyone up to this?
Yes, sir.
Can I go for execution of this program?
Yes, sir.
So now I'm going to close this command prompt, or I will choose which version of Java, Java 17, Java 21, Java 20, so Java 14, 5, 7, 8, anything you can use. So I activated which version? Java 8. Now how to run the program? Now there are two commands are there. One is Java C. What is the file name that we have given? Demo.java. I am trying to compile a file with name demo.java. Is there any error in the file? Means it is going to display. Luckily, we don't have any error. That's why it returned to the next prompt. Now our task is to run the program. How to run? Java space demo we have to give. If you press enter key, what will happen? It is going to execute and it will display hello world message on the screen. So this is the way how to execute a simple Java program. Total how many commands are there? Two commands. First command is what? Java C. What is the purpose of this command? To compile this Java program. What is the second command? Java space demo. What is the purpose of this command? Just to run the Java file. Sir, everyone got clarity about this? Please confirm.
Yes, sir.
No doubts, sir. Right. That's all. I don't want to go in detail into this. Just how to execute a Java program. If you have an idea, that is sufficient. Anyway, tomorrow I'm going to explain in detail about that. Can I start the next chapter, which is very, very important? Basics compulsory. You should have an idea. What is the title of the topic is data types. With your knowledge, tell me what is mean by data type.
Like,
Like
what is
we
the type
have,
of data?
Yes.
String,
So in the,
integer, like that.
so in your Java program, what type of data you are going to use? That is represented by using data types, right? So I'm using the term the type of, okay, the type of data that we are using in our program. The type of the data that we are using in our program is called as, so is called as data type. What type of data that we are using in the program is always called as what? Data type. Sir, I want to take one example. Example one. I want to perform addition of two numbers. Generally, how we are going to write the code? We will take like integer a is equal to 10. Okay. In the second line, we are going to take so integer b is equal to integer b is equal to something like 20, and after that integer c is equal to a plus b. Like this we will take addition of two numbers. In this example, if you think logically, a we declared what type of data it is holding? Integer value. That's why the data type which we defined is nothing but int. So 20 is what type of data? Integer. A plus b, if you add, what type of data we are going to get? Integer. Like that we have. Example number 2. Second example. Sir, are you eligible for vote or not? I want to check. Are you eligible for vote or not? I want to check. Based on that, I want to take some decision. Sir, what we have to do is eligible is equal to, you can take either true or you can take false. Sir, eligibility of the person 1, eligibility of the person 2. What type of data it is holding? Sir, compulsory you need to provide. Then only it can accommodate. Like Python, it is not going to take automatically. So we have to explicitly provide. Sir, this one is called as what? Data type. What type of data you are using in the program? At very beginning itself, compulsory we have to define. Such type of concept is called as what? Data types. Sir, everyone got some idea?
yes, sir.
Then so one more example I want to take, just real time example. Suppose consider I want to prepare one project like employee management system, something like that. I want to prepare one software like ems. What type of data it is going to hold? We have to declare. Sir, if you take employee id, what type of data it is going to hold? Sir, it will hold numbers. Numbers means what type of data? Integers only. Next, I want to take employee name. What type of data it is going to hold? A group of characters. Sir, what is the meaning of this one? String. I want to take salary of an employee. What type of data it is going to store? Something like points. Points means what type of data? Float. I want to check gender. Is the person is male or female? It is a character type of data. In Java, we have char data type is there. Is the person is married or not? I want to check. For that, Boolean type is there, which is used to represent Boolean values. Just now we covered true or false. Like that, if you take any project, any small program to big program, what type of data that we are going to use in the program, compulsory we have to provide. Such type of things are called as what? Data types. Data types represents the type of the data that we are using in our system. Sir, everyone comfortable with this?
Yes, sir.
No doubt, right?
No, sir.
Next, 1 second. So the next one, what we have here is some three important note points I want to cover. Three important note points I want to cover. What is the note number 1? What is the first note? Listen carefully. in Java, okay, in Java, we have both primitives, okay, we have both primitives are there and also objects are there. In Java, we have both the primitives and object concepts. Sir, what is mean by primitive? What is mean by object? You may have a doubt. Just I want to cover with one small example so that I think so you people are going to understand. See, assume I have a chocolate is there here like this. A chocolate is there. If you keep this raw chocolate as it is, okay, if you project to the outside world, it is okay, but not that much good. Same thing, sir, if you take, if you wrap into a paper, if you wrap into a paper, then you are going to project like this. Sir, what will happen? Everyone is going to love to take this one. Sir, this one is a data only. Inside this only data is there. But what is the difference? The representation, the way of projection is completely different. In Java, these are called as primitives. Actually, it is going to hold the content only, but it is called as primitives. What about this one? This one is called as objects. So there are two terminologies are there, primitives and then objects. Both are there. Sometimes you need to convert primitives to object, and sometimes you need to convert object to primitive. For this also we have some facilities. Sir, in the syllabus somewhere I covered wrapper classes. So this wrapper classes task is what? To convert a primitive to object and from object to primitive. This kind of a facility is already there. So I think the term called primitive and the term called object, you got clarity, right?
Yes, sir, very clear.
So then already we have objects, sir. Why these primitives? Because without this object is meaningless. That's why in every programming language, primitives are going to play an important role. Then later only objects came. So now I want to take note number 2. This is also very, very important. What is this note is in Java, so everything is everything is treated as an object only. Everything is treated as an object only. Sir, if you take anything, I have to represent in the form of object only. I have to represent in the form of object only. Sir, already primitives are there. Only for fundamental purpose, we will use the primitives. Sir, objects we want to use in the fundamentals. But in the real time, we will use always objects, not primitive. So then how you can handle primitives? That is the reason. So we have third point. What is the third point is we have some predefined methods to convert primitives into objects and vice versa. So if you have primitives are there, no problem. I can convert to object. If I have object is there, we can convert to primitive. Such type of nature is there in Java. Just these 3 points to highlight the word called objects and primitives I covered. Do you have any doubt? Sir, clear everyone, please
Yes, sir,
confirm.
so far okay, sir.
Yes, Patil, clear? Yeah, Himanshu, are
Yes,
you
sir.
there in the session? Himanshu Shekhar, clear? He's not responding. Okay. So now we are in data types in Java. In Java, total how many data types are there? In general, sir, we have 4 types of data types. In Java, the following are the 4 primitives, 4 primitive data types existed. How many primitive data types are there? 4 primitive data types are existed. What is the first type of primitive that we have? The first type of primitive is nothing but integers. Sir, in these integers, what values it is going to hold? Minus infinite to plus infinite. Every value it is going to accommodate. Second one, real values are there.
Sorry, sir. Clear, sir.
Ah, yeah, okay. So real values are there. What are those real values? Sir, the data which is in the form of x by y, where x and y are again integers, So if you take any data in the form of x by y, then we are going to call it as what? Real values. Sir, example, I have 5, it is integer. I have 2, it is integer. But if you divide these, you will get 2.5. 2.5 is not integer, it is a real value. So this is nothing but what we have. Sir, okay, fine. I'm okay with this. What is another type of data type? The next data type what we have here is characters is there, sir. Characters are there. Sir, what is this character? In some programming language, we will use ASCII representation. And in some programming languages, we are going to use Unicode, Universal Code Standards. Anyway, we will talk about this in detail. Don't worry at all. So ASCII characters, Unicode characters, we will take. What is that last one, sir? Boolean. Sir, what is this Boolean? To hold true or false status. So our Java and also Python is having this kind of a facility. At the top level, sir, these are nothing but 4 types of data types which are available in Java. Are you clear with this?
Yes, sir.
Right. Now, if you take integer x is equal to 10, what is the meaning? Sir, we need some memory. We need some memory internally, okay, to hold the value x, right, sir? Compulsory. If you are taking x is integer, x is equal to 10, definitely we need some memory internally to store the value 10. So what is my question is, I have an example here, sir, integer a is equal to 10. Integer b is equal to something like that. Can I take these two statements in a Java program, sir? Please confirm. Can I take?
I don't think there will be any problem.
Hmm.
No,
But
it's the problem, sir.
memory, yes, memory wise, there is a problem. Why? Because see, to store the value a, small amount of memory is sufficient, right? To store this value, a big amount of memory is needed. Am I right, sir?
Yes, sir.
But, sir, you are declaring both as a same. Is it possible? Definitely not possible. So there should be some deviation. There should be some differences. So that's why what Java people think, sir, this is integer. This one is also integer. But don't treat both are same. It is having huge value. So compulsory more memory will be there. It takes some time also to access. But this one is very small sort of value. That's why what Java people decided is based on based on content. So we have the following divisions are there. We have the following divisions in data types. Sir, what divisions are there? If you are talking about integers, sir, there are 4 categories are there. One is a byte, another one is a short, int, long. Sir, why 4 types? If you want to store very small amount of data, you can go for bytes. Next level data, you can go for short. Next level data, you can go for int. Sir, still big value long. Sir, what about second one? Floating point values, or in our terminology, real values. Sir, what is this real values? We have 2 types, float and then double. Float and then double. Sir, float means what? After point, maybe 1 or 2 precisions you are going to get. Sir, double means what? More precisions you are going to get. Sir, everyone understood?
Yes, sir.
Sir, what about characters? There is no division for characters. Only one division is there called char. What about Boolean? For Boolean also there is no division, sir. Only one type is there. That's all. Sir, classification is nothing but this one. Based on range, we have this much classification. Count total how many data types are there, sir?
And about strings, sir, if we have long string, do we have any other classification?
No. We don't have. These are
Okay.
the primitives. Sir, can I say 4? Sorry, 8, right? 4 integers, 2 real values, 1 character, 1 boolean, total 8. So we have total 8 primitives. 8 primitive. Primitive means what? Fundamental. 8 primitive data types are existed in Java. Okay, sir, I want objects. I don't want a primitive. For these primitives, for these 8 primitives, we have 8 wrapper classes are there. Wrapper classes are there. Sir, don't worry, I'm going to provide that list. Sir, don't worry, I will provide this list. Sir, for every data type, the following are some common properties. Common properties for every data type or with respect to data types. Sir, what properties? For every data type, I want to take name. What is the keyword? What is the keyword that we are using for every data type? What is the size? How much size it is going to take? What is the range? Minimum value, maximum value. What about the default value? If you are not giving, what default value it will take? What is a wrapper class name? These attributes I want to talk for every data type. If you are clear with this, one by one, total 8 data types are there, right? For these 8 data types, I will discuss one by one. Can I?
Yes, sir, please.
Yeah. So before that, just please wait for 1 minute. I will be back. Please wait for 1 minute. Yeah, sorry for the delay. Sir, am I audible? Please confirm. Right. So now let us expand this, like data types. All these data types we need to discuss now. For every data type, I'm going to take these properties. First, let me take byte data type. We need to talk about all these properties one by one. And even for short also, we need to talk. Even for int, even for long int. Long data type. So int data type, next and after that short, next and after that byte. First, let me talk about byte. Sir, byte, what is a data type name? Actually, it belongs to integer. In integer, it belongs to byte. What is the keyword name that we are using? Byte is the keyword name which we are using to represent byte data type. What is the keyword name that we have to use? Byte is the keyword name. Next and after that, what is a size? The size is nothing but 1 byte. 1 byte means how many bits, sir? Can anyone tell me? 1 byte means how many bits?
8.
8. It is going to represent 8 bits. 8 bits. So what is the range? This is very, very important terminology. First, I will take some example. You will get clarity. Sir, can I say internally 8, 8 bits will be allocated in this style? 0th bit, first bit, second bit, third bit, 0 or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Like that. Am I right, sir? Correct?
Yes, sir.
So now range means what? Negative values will be there. Positive value also will be there. Right, sir?
Yes, sir.
So if you take positive value, what should be the values inside this? Can you please tell me? Because bit means what? Either 0 or 1. Am I right? Correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So if you want all maximum value, if you want a maximum value, we need to put ones. If you want
All.
a minimum value, we need to put zeros, right?
Yeah.
So if I'm taking 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, is it a minimum value or not? Please confirm, friends.
Yes, sir.
Now, I'm going to take same bits like this. 1 second. So if you take negative numbers, I mean, we took all zeros, means what? It is the minimum value. So now I want to represent maximum. Sir, if I want to represent maximum, first bit, second bit, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, all bits should be 1. If you take all bits as 1, in my point of view, it is the maximum value. Are you clear with this terminology, whatever I told up to this? Sir, clear? Please confirm. More attention must be required in this
Yes, sir.
case.
But integer, like what should be the integer value? Like we know minus infinity to plus infinity, right?
No, no,
So
no.
if we
You don't.
convert,
See,
this is the, I think, memory storage. If
yeah, yeah.
but
Actually,
humans will put some numbers, right?
I
So
will explain.
yeah, yeah, that is the thing, sir.
See,
I'm not able
minus
to
my
correlate actually.
yes, yes. Actually, minus infinite to plus infinite. These are the numbers range, right?
Yes, so I
I
just
told
need to know
I
minus
uh,
till
uh,
from what number to plus till what number, and how can we convert it in the
that's
zero
what
zero one one one
I'm
in
telling.
understandable way. Yeah, sir.
If you want to find out minimum value, all the values should be 0, right, sir?
Yes, sir. So all these
If you,
values zero in 8 slots. Exactly
hmm,
what number it is in integer terms?
so you
If
are
we
very
convert.
interested to know that.
just trying to
definitely.
correlate, like
Yes,
as a human programmer, what I'm trying to achieve with this.
yes,
Yeah.
definitely. I will explain. You will get clarity. Okay. Now, sir, whenever you are taking like this, if people are watching this, sir, they are going to ask one question. What is that question? Is simple question and very, very important question. Minimum value means, tell me, sir, is it negative or positive?
I think this is 0 if I'm not
No, no,
wrong.
Positive.
no.
Positive.
Forget about zeros and ones and all.
Positive.
Whenever we are talking about minimum, is it a positive number or negative number? Okay. When
I'm
we are
not
talking
sure.
about maximum,
Yeah.
if you take scale, 0 is there here, minus infinite is there here, plus infinite is there here. I have byte data type is there. I want to find out what is the maximum value. Sir, is the maximum value will be available in the left side or right side?
Right side.
Right side. What is the sign of that one?
Plus.
Positive. Yeah.
So negative value means
Minus.
minimum means negative value only, right?
Mhm.
Maximum means positive value only. So minimum means negative, maximum means positive. Just to keep this in mind so that this value we are going to find out now theoretically.
Yeah. Yes.
Understood? In problem solving, especially binary, especially missions, how mission can understand it is a negative number? How mission can understand it is a positive number? That's why, so in binary number system, one separate bit is reserved only to represent a sign. This is that bit. This is this bit. This bit is called as MSB, most significant bit. Most significant bit. Sir, in binary, if most significant bit is 0, then that number is positive number. If most significant bit is 1, then that number is negative number. Sir, is the rule is clear?
Yes, sir.
Now tell me, I am removing these MSB bits for both. Sir, if you want to take it as a negative, what should be there here?
1.
1. Sir, if you want to make it as a positive, what value should be there here?
0.
0. Sir, now I will calculate this. We will get what is the maximum value of this number. Sir, listen carefully. Since it is a binary, if you want to convert to decimal, what we need to do is we have to multiply with 2 power I. Sir, here I value is 0, 1, 2. So 3 numbers we have to read in this direction in binary. So take 2 power 0, its value is 1. Sir, 2 power 1, its value is 2. Sir, 2 square, its value is 4. Sir, 2 cube, its value is 8. Sir, 2 power 4, its value is 16. Sir, 2 power 5, its value is 32. Sir, 2 power 6, its value is 64. 64 plus 32. I think 6, 9, 96. 96 plus 4, 100. So 100 plus 16 or 100 plus, sir, 10, 110. Sir, 110 plus, what is the next numbers that we have? 17. Sir, 127, right? If you add all these numbers, is this is the result or not? Please confirm. If you add 1 plus 2 plus 4 plus 8 plus 16 plus 32 plus 64, this is the result you will get. Right, sir?
Yes, sir.
Yes, that's all. This is the positive value in the range minus x to plus x. Now I got plus x. What is a plus x? Plus 127. Up to 127 it will store in the positive value. Sir, I want to store 128. Sorry, my byte is not in a position to hold. You have to go for next data type like short. So positive value, how we calculated? If you are clear, then negative calculation is somewhat tricky. That's why. Clear, sir? Any doubt?
Yes, sir. Clear, sir.
Then how to calculate for negative? Sir, there is a standard procedure. If you know, then okay. If you don't know, leave it. Just understand. Because the people who are coming from electronics background, they can understand. Sir, if MSB bit is 0, directly we can represent the number in decimal. If the MSB bit is 1, we have to take 2's complement of the number to know the decimal value. Have you heard about this terminology?
Yeah, 1's complement plus 1, right?
Yes. What is the formula of 2's complement? 1's complement plus 1. Sir, what is mean by complement? Complement means converting 0 into 1 and 1 into 0.
Swapping the
Have you
bit.
heard about this? Yes. Have you heard about this terminology?
Yes,
No,
sir.
sir.
Computer
Yeah, okay, no
augmentation
problem.
subject.
Yeah, it is the basics of electronics, something like that. Okay, leave it. Sir, here MSB bit is 1, right? That means directly you should not convert. You have to take which one? 2's complement. Except this bit, take all the remaining bits. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. For this, what is the first step? Take 2's complement. What is the formula for 2's complement? 1's complement plus 1. What is its 1's complement? Converting 0 to 1, 1 to 0. Am I right, sir? Please confirm.
Yes, sir.
For this, we have to add plus 1. So here I am adding plus 1. What will be the result? Sir, what is 1 plus 1?
10.
Yes, 10.
One
Don't
carry
tell,
forward,
don't,
1 0.
don't tell 2 because it is binary.
Yeah.
1 plus 1 is 1 0, not 10, 1 0.
1 0, yeah.
So 0 is the result, carry is nothing but 1. 1 plus 1, 0, carry is 1.
Hmm.
Again 1 plus 1, 0, carry is 1.
Hmm.
Again 1 plus 1, 0, carry is 1. 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 1 plus 1. There is no next number. That's why I'm taking as it is. So this is nothing but decimal value. Sir, 2 power 0, dummy. 2 power 1, dummy. 2 square, 2 cube. 2 power 4, 2 power 5, 2 power 6. All these are dummy. If you add also, you will get 0. Last one is what? 2 power 7. What is the 2 power 7 value, sir? I think 128. Right? 64 plus 64. Am I right? 4 plus 4, 8, 6 plus 6. Got it? What about the sign? Sign is negative, right? So minus 128 is the range. So minus 128. What is the range of bytes, sir? It will store from minus 128 to plus 127. Are you clear with the terminology?
Yes, sir.
That's all, sir. If you understand this, how internally memory is allocated, very clear. Got it, friends?
Yes, sir.
Now, sir, where is the proof? You just explained with the help of example. No problem. We have a proof. Byte dot. What is the minimum value? There is a standard functions are there. Byte dot. What is the maximum value? It will return. If you want, you can check. What is the minimum value? Minus 128. What is the maximum value? Plus 127. Are you clear? You got proof also, right? So what is the default value? If we are not giving any value, 0 is the default value. Sir, what is the wrapper class? Sir, byte is the keyword. Wrapper class name is byte. Same name only, but starting letter is capital. If starting letter is capital, the terminology is something like a class. So byte, same name you have to take, but starts with capital. Have you observed? It is providing service for me. This is about byte data type, sir. If you are clear with this, some examples I will take. Clear? Huh?
Yes, sir.
Now I will take some examples. You just tell me whether it is valid or invalid. That's all. First one, byte b is equal to 10. Is it valid?
Yes, sir.
Valid. I am taking byte b is equal to 127. Is it valid?
Yes.
Yes. I am taking byte b is equal to 128. Is it valid?
No.
No. Why? Because what is the reason, sir? That is not accommodated, right?
Yeah.
Byte b is equal to. Sir, can I take minus 128?
Yeah, valid.
Valid. So byte b is equal to. Can I take minus 129?
No.
Invalid. Invalid, right? Now, sir, byte B is equal to, can I take 1.2?
No.
No,
No, sir.
the number itself got changed, right? It
Yeah.
is not integer at all. Can I take byte B is equal to ABC?
No.
No, invalid. Type got changed. Can I take byte B is equal to true?
No.
Invalid. Byte got changed. So can I take byte B is equal to something like K? Invalid. Are you understanding?
Yes, sir.
That's all. Don't worry at all. Actually, this one is valid. Why it is valid means in the literals I will explain. In literals, I will explain. Sir, any doubt up to this, whatever I covered?
No, sir.
That's all. That's all about demo session, what I'm taking. Tomorrow, join by using the same link. But tomorrow timing is what, sir?
5 p.m.
5 p.m. Join at 5 p.m. by using the same link. Please join at 5 p.m. So I'm going to directly start introduction to Java installation. Okay. And how to prepare the Java application. Some stuff I'm going to provide related to the syllabus. Then I'm going to start operators also. Tomorrow around 2 hours a session will be there. Okay. Whatever topics I already covered for them, I will take a backup session and I will cover for you. Don't worry. Okay.
And can we get recording of today's session, sir? It was very
Yeah,
valuable.
they are going to upload in the YouTube. Just you can check it.
And one more thing, can we get soft copy of any book like complete Java
No, no, no,
reference or anything?
no, not like that. If you want, I will share.
Yeah, I just
Complete.
needed that, sir.
Yeah. Definitely, I will share. It is there in the net. I will check and I will share definitely. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Any other queries? Himanshu, are you clear? So tomorrow class timings is 5 o'clock.
From 5. From 5.
Is it okay for you?
Yes, sir. No problem.
Yeah. So tomorrow just join at 5 o'clock. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, right. Same link only we have to use. Any other doubts?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Then right. So thank you. We will continue in tomorrow's session. Okay.
Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you,
Sir.
sir.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.